Where was Jesus born? A. Nazareth. B. Jerusalem. C. Bethlehem. You have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wait a minute before we show the answer. Once again, you guys can
Where
read the
was
questions.
Jesus born?
You guys can read the questions up on the screen. So A is for Nazareth, B is for Jerusalem, and C is for Bethlehem. Does anyone want to switch? Are you sure?
Wala
Maybe
na
it's
lalo.
a trick question. Or maybe I'm tricking you right now.
Walang nanalo.
Alright,
Ano kaya?
So-
Nag-iisip siya ate.
can we know the answer?
Nag-iisip.
If
Okay,
you
what's the
guys see
answer?
it, correct. Bethlehem. We also have a verse for you if ever you want to find the answer in the Bible.
Okay, tama sila si ate.
Alright, so you guys only have 5 seconds. Once you're locked in, you're locked in. The next question, please, is who brought gifts to Jesus after his birth? A, the shepherds, B, the wise men, C, the priests. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the answer is B, the wise men. Alright, next question. We have a lot of questions.
It's gonna get harder.
Okay, this time, everyone here, close your eyes, because you're gonna copying each other. Close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. Remember, you only have 5 seconds to go where you need to go. While your eyes are closed, I'll say the question. What were the 3 gifts the wise men brought? A, silver, gold, and myrrh. B, gold, frankincense, and myrrh. Or C, incense, oil, and gold. Go! 5,
4,
4, 3, 2, 1.
The answer is...
Answer is B. You guys are good.
Galing sila.
You guys are good at copying. Alright, how about you guys just...
O sige, mas mahirap ng konti.
Okay. 4. Close your eyes just before you guys copy each other. What angel appeared to Mary to announce her pregnancy? A. Michael, B. Gabriel, C. Raphael. Go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Who is it?
Answer? Gabriel.
Is that Daniel? Gabriel.
Alright. 5. Who was the Roman emperor during Jesus' birth? Read it up there so that you guys can cheat. A. Caesar, B. Nero, C. Julius Caesar. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You guys are late. Answer. A. Caesar Augustus.
Okay, ito naman. Bye-bye.
Alright, 6.
That's the answer.
Oh wait.
Every no winner.
There's all about wrong. Alright,
Okay, no winner.
no more wins. Alright, you guys are all still in. You're all still in. So remember, A, B, C, don't copy. Alright.
Pastor, nakikita niyo ba ito? Yung mga sagot nila.
So, our next question. What is the name of the town where Mary and Joseph lived before Bethlehem? A. Jericho, B. Cana, C. Nazareth. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, ay, yung mga...
Okay,
Nasa kayo?
where are you guys? What's happening here?
Okay.
Wait. Alright,
The answer
the
is...
answer is C.
C. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Alright, you want me? Goodbye. I think that you want to read it.
Alright. Question number 7. Who was the king who wanted to kill baby Jesus? A. Herod. B. Pilate. C. Solomon.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer. They're slowly gonna get harder.
Okay.
Alright.
Answer is?
Eight.
They're all correct. Okay.
8. What was the sign the angel gave the shepherds to find Jesus? A. A bright star. B. A baby wrapped in a swaddling clothes and lying in a manger. C. A in the sky. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh.
Where are you going? Okay,
No,
you're
you
there.
already moved.
You're there.
You're here.
The answer is
B.
B.
Alright.
B. Everyone is there. Stay there. Stay there. Who's with you? There's another girl a while ago. There's the small girl.
Small girl.
Hey, Adriel and the small girl, come here. Go. You all lost. Ayun, that small girl, here.
Go here.
And Adriel. Okay, just 2 of them.
Alright. So we wrong.
Go here. Bye-bye. Okay, the answer is...
A baby wrapped in the swaddling clothes and lying in a manger.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, tatlo na sila.
So,
Okay.
that's what you guys get for copying.
Bright star. It
Alright.
only goes to the Christmas tree.
Between you two, who sang praise to God, saying glory to God in the highest? The shepherds, the wise men, or the angel?
Samahan niyo siya. Samahan niyo. Oh, you wanna sit down?
Oh,
Chloe, where do you wanna go? B or A?
A, B, or C?
Where do you wanna go? Come on. Okay, what is the answer?
Alright, the answer is C, the angel.
Okay.
So, Adriel,
Okay,
you got
go
one.
na.
Now, a big prize. And now we're gonna give the rest of the night to our raffles.
Raffle na tayo. Okay, one of the... sige, isama mo muna yung raffle niya. Sige, ihahalo daw yung raffle niya kasi may chance siya na manalo pa. O may isa pa. There's another gift there. Any more gift? We're good? Okay. Final 4 gifts. Kasi yung Queen na wala dyan, nandun na sa Queen
4
na.
gifts left.
Oh. Pa? Okay.
Alright, can we get some bingo music? Or something?
Toast naman yan, toast. Dapat yung pang Christmas.
Magsama
Ano
din.
ba yung tanong ng tunog ng Christmas? Kanta ka na lang.
Paano po ito upang mamas...
Okay!
Alright,
Fourth prize
Fourth
goes
prize.
to...
Brielle from First Samuel. Brielle.
Riel, apo ni Kwanto. Apo ni Sister Rosa, right? Yes. Oh, representative, very good mother na naman yata.
First Samuel.
Okay.
Pasok.
Pasok. Sulat ko ng pangalan. Briel. Anak ni Alexandria, right? Okay. Isa na. Isa pa.
What's next?
Ha? Isa. Okay, couple. Either you can
Playing this now?
bring your friends, bring your friend or bring your wife or husband. Kapag isa lang, single lang yung nanalo, you can bring me. Okay? Alright, deal. Couples to win a package.
Alright, just so it's not biased, because if Tito Giovanni
Yes.
wins,
Somebody will pick up the... Tama, ito ko si Juan. Brother Mike,
let me see your hands.
yeah. There's no... Oh, win a package. yung mga kailangan magpaganda ng kutis.
Remember, if you win, you can
All
bring
right.
me or Teacher Honey. You can bring your wife. Good answer.
And the winner goes to
Timothy 2, Kira Kelly, Austria. Timothy, Austria.
Miriam Austria. Care of Tescali Life Group, Timothy 2.
Austria.
Yeah, Austria. It's either Miriam.
Alright, so
Sino pang Austria?
in the test, if you don't claim it in 10 seconds,
Mr.
we'll
Tescali.
raffle again.
This is a Buena package for Timothy 2, Sino Tescali, Austria. O, yun na yun. O, ito,
Alright,
pakiba nyo.
for
Ano
our
ng
next
Buena package?
prize, all eyes on Tita Maricel as she holds our Ninja or Foodie Ninja Air Fryer.
Magtawag ka na magkumunod.
Air frying technology.
I see.
Alright, so, our winner for the Foodie Ninja Air Fryer is Elvira Agkis.
Elvira Atkis.
Yes.
Sino yun?
There's
Sino?
no Bible story. Elvira Agkis.
Kanina live group siya. Ay, nandito ka na. Ito pala. Hello po! Kayo pinanalo ng air fryer! Woohoo! Pwede nyo na siyang iihaw, iprito.
And for our final prize, a trip to buying a ticket to the Philippines. Because now you have luggage. Our winner is
Ayan na, ayan na. Ito nyo nakikarga si Mister sa loob. And the name!
the name is
Woo! Nanalo na to kanina. Yeah. Lucky. Gaano kaya karami binili nitong ticket? Tatlo lang ba? Okay, the winner goes to... Ano oras tayo natatapos ng mga stress? Baka na?
310, 5 minutes.
Okay, 3:10.
So, the winner
Grupo to,
is,
kayo ng grupo to.
the group is, I can see your video.
No, here's the group.
Oh,
Nakasalamin na yan.
Ate Ness.
Grupo, live group ni Ate Ness. Lucky.
Kung Ate Ness.
Yeah, yun din ang kanyang very godmother. Kung meron sa Ate Chick, meron din sa kanila, Ate Ness.
And the winner is...
goes to... Hey, in
Okay.
3, 1,
1, 2, 3.
Eliezer Asuncion! Ito ba yung may pulang pan? May pulang panyo? Yeah, lucky! Lucky yung panyo mo bro!
Blessing, red money mo.
Dapat pala green na panyo ang hinahanap natin. Congratulations! Pwede ka na magbiyahe kahit saan mo gusto.
Hey, don't forget about the pasalubong. One minute.
Oy! Ano ba? Oh, picture daw, picture! Dapat nasa loob ka ng baggage. Okay guys, that concludes our Christmas party.